Hey all, this review is for the handheld steamer. I'm just about to put the water in. I haven't used this yet. So you get the funnel, you get all these things that you see here. You're able to put 1 cup of water in, 250 milliliters of water in. It says that it actually holds in here 350 milliliters, but you need room for the expansion of the steam, so to only put 250 milliliters of water maximum, or 1 cup, into the reservoir here. So there you go. That's 250 milliliters. Take this out, put the pressure cap back on. And over here you see that there's a light. I'm going to put this attachment on too. Actually, no, I won't. But just so you see that there's this attachment here, flexible hose one. And again, you have this as well as this and this, and then the brushes that you see back there. So I'm going to plug it in, and it says that it's ready when you see that light at the bottom go on. So let me just plug it in first. So actually, the light is already on, so let me just see what it says as far as that goes to verify. After it is plugged in, the round light at the bottom will turn on, indicating that the unit is heating up and pressure is increasing. When the light turns off, it means the steam cleaner is ready for use. So I'm not too sure how long that takes for the steam cleaner to be ready for use. It does not say in the manual. So I'm gonna pause the video, and then when that is off, I'll restart the video for you guys. Okay guys, it took about 3 to 4 minutes for the light to go off, so the light's back on. So all I have to do is press this and I should get some speed. Whoops, so I'm assuming you see that. If you notice, I'm gonna direct the camera, see if I can zoom in here. I left a little spot on my counter there, and we'll just see if I can steam that off. Yeah, that came off pretty quickly. So, steam didn't feel hot though. I'm not too sure if it's supposed to. It's warm. I wouldn't call it hot, so I don't know if the steam is supposed to be hot or not. I'll look into that. But it is steaming, guys. Hopefully this helps you out with the review.